How you can withdraw from BullX. Head over to Wallet Manager, then click on Add Wallet. In this case, I am withdrawing Solana, so I will simply select Solana, and then you just need to open up that particular platform on which you want to receive your Solana or any other currency. Once you are in, you just need to select that specific asset and then click on receive, copy your address, and then enter the wallet address. For the name, I will go with Phantom as an example, and then click on add wallet. Once you have added your Solana wallet, it might take few hours to verify your wallet address. Otherwise, the process is simple. You just need to click on withdraw, select Solana from here. Again, select Solana. In the from, you just need to select your Solana wallet. If you have some balance, it is going to show up right here. You just need to select your wallet and then enter the amount. And in that too, you just need to select the wallet that we have just added, and it is now in pending. Once the pending is clear, you will be able to see your wallet right here. Then click on withdraw Sol and you are good to go. Make sure to go with smaller amount first, let's say $2 to $5, then go for the larger amount once you have received it into your wallet. So hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw from BullX.